On question 4, find the lateral and total surface area of the cylinder formed by the net below. All right, so we know it was a cylinder because they told us, right? Otherwise, we wouldn't be able to tell. It'd be impossible. Rectangle with 2 circles on it, what the heck does that make? All right, anyway, so let's, we want 2 different answers here, and notice that it doesn't say whether it's exact or approximate. So I'm going to go with exact, and then I can always easily convert it at the end to something approximate. And that way, I don't have to worry about any kind of rounding errors until the very, very end. Okay, so I've got 5, and that 5 is representing, of course, the diameter of that circular base, which means 5 divided by 2 is 2.5 meters for the radius. And the 2.8 meters here, that's going to be our height. It's the distance between those 2 circular bases. Put height. All right, let's find first the lateral surface area. I think we have enough information here, so I'm going to call it S. Is it confusing that lateral surface area is S and total surface area is S? Some people use a capital L and a capital T, but, you know, to each their own. All right, lateral surface area, we're going to start first with 2 pi r times the height. And remember that this 2 pi r, that's the circumference of this base. You know, I didn't write it like this, but I could just as easily have done this. That instead of 2 pi r, it's pi times the diameter times the height. And I might as well use that one because I already have the diameter here of 5. So I can put this stuff in here as pi times 5 times 2.8. And now if I want the exact answer, I'm going to treat pi like a variable and then just multiply the 5 times the 28. Maybe I do that right off here on the side. So 28, or 2.8 really, multiplied times 5 would be 40. And then 10, 14, it's 14. Exactly 14 pi. Exactly 14 pi. Let's throw some units on it. This is an area, so an area is supposed to be in units squared, meters squared. There we go. Box it. Make it easy to find. And then the total surface area, we're already halfway there. So for the total surface area, you always start with your 14 pi's from before. There's your lateral. And then let's add in our 2 bases. Our 2 bases is going to be a pi and then an r squared. And our r, we determined here, was this 2.5 business. So if I take out my r and put in a 2.5, which I will square, hey, what's 2.5 times 2.5? Here's another question. What's 25 times 25? So 25 squared, if you didn't know, is 625. And if I carry over the decimal, that's going to be 2 places, because it'd be 2.5 times 2.5. So move that over 2 places. It's 6.25. So my total surface area, 14 pi plus 6.25 pi, for a total of, well, I can treat these like variables again and just add the coefficients. I get 20.25 pi meters squared for the total surface area.